Hello guys, welcome to TECHHELPLINE. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to delete Fastmail account. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. All you need to do is head towards your web browser and type fastmail.com in the search bar and press enter. Now click on login button. And then fill up your username and password and click on login. You will enter your Fastmail account. To delete an account at Fastmail, click the options arrow in the top left and select billing and plan. Then in the close account section, type in your password and click done. So guys, this is how you delete your Fastmail account. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.